welcome to Tech Talk TV. Today, we're featuring your favorite computer parts.
I am keyboard. I am crucial for inputting text, number, and symbols into a computer system, making it essential for various tasks like typing, navigating, and even playing games. I act as the primary interface for communicating with the computer, allowing users to enter information and interact with software. I am the primary device for typing into various applications, including word processors, web browsers, and social media apps. I also allows users to input numbers quickly and accurately, which is vital for tasks like calculations, data entry, and financial transactions. I can provide access to wide range of symbols, including punctuation, currency, symbols, and special characters which are essential for many types of writing and communication. Together, we make computer complete.